How to download Netspend app. For this, open a Play Store or App Store. In here, you have to search for Classic Netspend. That is the application version of Netspend. Then tap on it. Simply tap on the install bubble and wait for your application to be installed. And mind it, it might take a while. Tap open once it is done. If you are a new user, you have to go ahead and tap on Sign Up Now or tap on Login if you are already registered. To log in to your Netspend app, simply go ahead and enter your username, your password, tap on Remember Username and also enable your fingerprint login for easy access. If you forgot your username or password, simply tap on either of these options. Then, it will provide you an alternative way of adding your email address where it will send you a login link. By tapping on it, you'll be easily able to access your Netspend account. If you have any trouble logging in, tap on Contact Us, where an agent or a bot will help you to log into your Netspend account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.